You're welcome again to my channel, and today we'll be talking about the part 2 of our understanding Godot Visual Scripting part 2. Okay, so we're talking about more about it. So first of all, let's recap some things. What is visual scripting? Now, visual scripting is a way to write programs using visual blocks of code that basically for your programs, and Godot Engine actually has that feature that you can be able to actually create your games using something like this. Alright, that's this code that you have. If you're writing real codes like C programming, you can actually write basic codes using this particular feature, and it makes it very easy for you to work. Now, who is visual scripting for? You may ask. Now, a 3D artist or animator or a graphic designer or a hobbyist that doesn't really want to go into learning programming languages, you can simply create video games using visual scripting. It's a bit very easy to learn, and it's not something you have to learn too many things to be able to actually get acquainted with. Now, what are the benefits of visual scripting? Now, if you ask why should I use visual scripting? Now, the first thing is easy to learn. Okay, now the codes are already there for you to use. You don't have to write the codes, you just have to bring them and just put them together. Alright, and you can build games faster. So you can actually build a game faster, and you don't have to write codes from scratch. So basically, it's easier for you, especially if you're not trying to do for something very complex. You can actually start with this to enable you to create very simple games to enjoy yourself, or to share with friends, or to make something. Maybe a 3D artist and you want to make your 3D environment become interactive so that people can actually move around it, like see them moving around the game. You can simply use visual scripting to implement things like this in Godot Engine. And what are the limitations? The limitations are basically that for complex games like God of War, that God of War style of game, a game that has very complex mechanics and a lot of things involved in it, you don't want to use Godot Engine visual scripting to do that, because it might be a bit limited, and you might have imagine having a very complex code that is so huge that you won't really be able to actually contain it. So basically, you might want to build code, but you can still create very advanced games using visual scripting, but it all depends on how good you actually go in it. Now, going back to other things that we didn't talk about in the first video, to talk more about the visual scripting, because these are the blocks of codes that we'll be using for our coding. Now, the nodes in visual scripting have ports, so these are the ports. These arrows and the dots, these are the ports. Okay, now these points, they come from the left to the right. Okay, and they are used to make connection from one node to another. Okay, now there are two basic types of ports, and they are the sequence ports and data ports. Okay, so you see the ones that look like arrows are the sequence port that shows you the direction of the thing, and then we have the data ports. Now, the sequence ports indicates the order of operation that is written. So it means that whatever is at the beginning will go from the left to the right. So the next one to the right of the sequence will take place. So if you did something in the beginning, it will be going towards the right. As it keeps on rendering, or keep on executing the commands that you have actually done. Now that's the sequence. And data ports are ports that contain type values such as boolean, integers, vectors, arrays, objects, scene nodes, which we have actually seen some illustrations before in the channel, where we talk about different ways of being able to use these ports where we are able to do things like change your scene. Now, a data port on the right side is considered an output. So the one on the right side is an output, while the one on the left side, that's this data port, is actually called the input. Now, connecting them will allow information to flow to the next node. So when you want to take particular information from one node to another, you use the port, the data port to be able to flow information like integers, variables, or you want to change the scene, or you want to change resources, so you can be able to work with that particular one there. Now, the major thing I want you to pay attention to is when we start working on very complex scenes, you see that not all data types are compatible. So data ports are compatible. So we have data ports, but you have to actually pay attention to the icons, the color. So if you look at the color here, this color and that's the purple color, and the purple color can go together. And sometimes you see a yellow color and yellow color. So sometimes when you have a very complex scene and or complex code and you're trying to figure out which one can actually mesh together, you can be able to actually use the color code to be able to know the ones that can flow to each other. So understanding that whenever you understand that visual scripting is very simple, now you have understood the whole block that you're using. We'll be talking about subsequent tutorials. We'll be talking about other things that you can be able to use visual scripting for to create our video. Thank you for listening, and do subscribe to the channel, share the videos, like it, and do whatever it takes to make people actually know about visual scripting, because there are a lot of people who are creating wonderful things, but they want to make it interactive, but they don't know how to program visual scripting and how to do that.